Hanson. I'm with Back to Wellness Chiropractic. We're located in Kirkwood, Missouri. I have here Michelle today. She's a frequent patient of mine. She gets headaches and neck pain on a regular basis. She drives for a living, so she spends hours and hours in the car, and all the stress built up causes lots of pain. She has lots of muscle tenderness in the shoulders and the neck. We've already done some muscle work to her, so we're going to proceed with the adjustment. All right, lay on your back for me. Okay, so I'm just going to cross your arms over your chest. Push towards me a little bit. Take a deep breath for me. Blow it all the way out. That's great. One more time. Take a deep breath. Blow it out. Fantastic. Good. All right, now we're going to do the neck. I'm going to do the neck. Just do a little bit of traction here. And do a little bit of stretching. Help loosen the neck up a little. Good. All right. Relax that. Good. One more time. Drop your head this way. Perfect. Okay. I'll set you up. Swing your legs out to the left. Okay, so after the adjustment, we're going to do some electronic stimulation. Electronic stimulation and moist heat. Helps loosen up the muscles in your neck. If you feel the content in the video was good, please like it and share it with your friends. We'd love to work with you. Our phone number is 314-394-2093. Our website is stlbackdoc.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.